Hey guys, Dr. Mo here, Director of Waters Edge Chiropractic. The question I often get asked, and I got asked this week, is it okay to move my neck and crack my own neck? Great question. The answer is no. If you're having to crack your neck all the time and ride it around, it's probably a good sign something's not quite right. And even if you aren't doing too much damage, it's probably a good reason to go and get yourself checked out by your local chiropractor. Hope that helps. Try and avoid this sort of stuff and make sure you get some good checkups along the way. Thanks guys, have a good one.
If this was valuable for you, please share this message with your friends, family, and any other strangers you think could use a good health update.